Great morning, great afternoon, great evening mga ka-achievers. Welcome to our Achievementality Coaching episode 13. Pang 13 video, pang 13 upload na po natin ito. And hope you are learning, hope you are enjoying, hope you are getting some insights and takeaways sa mga video na na-upload natin. And again, this is your Achievement Mindset Coach, Jeff. I'm a life skills coach, I'm a work excellence corporate trainer, and a business development consultant. I help people unleash or unlock their achievementality in their life, work, and business. Ano nga ba itong achievementality na lagi natin pinapaliwanag sa mga video natin? Achievementality, simply put, is having an achievement mindset, or a mindset that says that I can be the person that I would like to be, I can do the things I would like to do, and I can have the dreams that I'm dreaming of. And also, pag meron kang achievement mindset or achievement mentality, hindi ka kaagad nagsasabi na hindi mo kaya or wala ng paraan. Lagi mo sasabihin, kakayanin, kaya, or gagawan ng paraan. Yun yung gusto nating ma-unlock, ma-unleash sa bawat ka-achievers na nanonood at nakikinig sa ating mga videos or podcast. Okay? And also, kaya natin ginagawa itong video to, we would like to provide inspiration, insight, instruction, and information on how you can achieve that kind of mindset or how you can unleash or unlock that achievementality. Because we believe that life, work, and business is a continuous journey from struggling to surviving to succeeding. So sabay-sabay tayo mag-succeed, sabay-sabay tayo mag-level up. All that we do is share our experience, okay? Mga natutunan po namin sa buhay. Maybe you're better than us sa mga pinagdadaanan mo, sa mga educational background o sa mga achievements mo. Itong mga video pong ito is just trying to help. That's why we're sharing some our experience and learning po pagdating sa life, work, and business. Okay? So let's get the ball rolling. Ano nga ba ang ating topic for our Achievementality Coaching episode 13? Dito, pag-uusapan natin the 3 powers of vision. The 3 powers of vision. Bakit nga ba beneficial ang pagkakaroon ng vision? Ano nga bang nagagawa nito sa buhay natin kung meron tayong vision? But before that, let's have a look on the word vision. Ano nga ba itong vision na to? Pag sinabi nating vision, it's having a mental image of what you want to happen in the future. It's having a mental image. So, nai-imagine mo na yung gusto mo mangyari. Ganun kasi dinefine din ang faith sa scripture. It's the substance of things hoped for, or evidence of things not seen. So pag may vision ka, meron kang mental image ng gusto mong mangyari kahit hindi pa siya nangyayari. That's vision. Okay? It can be who do you want to be, what do you want to do, or what do you want to have. It can be time freedom, financial freedom, it can be your dream house, it can be your advocacy, it can be your purpose in life, regardless of kung anong gusto mong mangyari in your future, as long as you have a mental picture or a mental image na gusto mong mangyari in the future, we call that vision. Okay? Vision. Kasi nakikita mo. But here, nakikita mo na siyang nangyayari or nangyari sa mind mo. Okay? That's vision. Mental picture, mental image of what you want to happen or what you want to achieve in the future. Anong benefit nito pag meron ka nitong vision? Anong benefit nito? Anong power nito? Okay? Anong naitutulong nito sa life mo, sa work mo, sa business mo if you have vision? Okay? Lahat mo ito nagsisimula sa letter D. Number 1, it gives direction. Okay? Mahirap po ang isang biyahe na walang direksyon. Kung gusto mong pumunta ng Baguio, kahit anong ganda ng sasakyan mo, kahit anong galing ng driver mo, kahit anong quality ng gasolina ang meron ka sa sasakyan mo, kung papunta ka sa south, hindi ka makakarating sa direksyon mo. With vision, it gives you clear direction kung saan mo gustong pumunta, kung anong gusto mong mangyari sa buhay mo. That's the power of vision. Dinedirect ka niya kung ano ang pupuntahan at hindi pupuntahan. Dinedirect ka niya kung saan ka papunta at saan ka hindi papunta. That's why it's very important even sa mga kids. Ako po, nagkakaroon ako ng mga client ngayon sa aking mga one-on-one coaching sessions na mga Gen Z and even Gen Alpha as young as 12 years old, mga nagpapakoach na sila. And I'm so happy. Bakit? Kasi bata pa lang, meron na silang vision na gusto nilang mangyari in the future. Guys, yung dreams pwede yung magbago. Lagi natin sinasabi. But yung purpose mo, yun yung intact. Pwede yung specifics ng purpose mo, pwedeng mag-tweak. Okay? Pwedeng magbago yung vision. Pwedeng magbago yan. Okay? But ang importante dito, at least alam mo saan ka papunta. At least bawat gising mo, alam mo saan ka ililid. Alam mo kung ano yung dapat mong tatahakin. That's one of the power of vision. Nagiging directed ka. Merong kabuluhan yung mga gagawin mo. Merong kabuluhan, alam mo yung susunod mong step. Bakit? Kasi alam mo yung pupuntahan. Alam mo yung susunod mong destination kasi meron kang direction. Di ba ganun? Pag halimbawa pupunta ka ng Baguio, alam mong dadaan ka muna ng NLEX, alam mong dadaan ka muna ng SCTEX, alam mong dadaan ka ng TPLEX. So alam mo yung bawat dadaanan. Yung nangyayari sa buhay mo, pag may vision ka, pag halimbawa may pinagdadaanan ka na something mabigat, alam mong part yan ng vision. Alam mong part yan ng direction mo. So that's important. Vision gives you direction. Number 2, vision helps you in making decision. Kanina direction, eto decision. Pag meron kang vision, alam mo kung saan ka mag-no at saan ka mag-yes. Pag meron kang vision, alam mo ang hindi mo bibigyan ng panahon sa bibigyan mo ng panahon. Alam mo kung anong mga librong babasahin mo, anong mga video ang panonoorin mo. Sana kasama itong Achieve Mentality. Alam mo kung anong mga ipaprioritize mo. Bakit? Maliwanag sa'yo ang gusto mong mangyari in the future kasi nga may vision ka. Meron kang mental picture. Meron kang mental image ng gusto mong mangyari. So, guided yung mga decision na gagawin mo. Alam mo kung anong tao ang sasamahan mo at hindi mo sasamahan. Alam mo kung ano ang gagawin mong desisyon sa araw na yon. Kailangan, anong opportunity ang tatanggapin mo, anong opportunity ang hindi mo tatanggapin. Kasi kailangan bawat desisyon mo naka-align dun sa vision mo. Kailangan magpapalapit yan dun sa vision mo, dun sa mental image at mental picture na gusto mong mangyari in the future. Okay? Let's do a recap. Vision gives you direction. Vision helps you to make decision. And last but not the least, number 3, vision fuels your devotion. Dahil meron kang vision, dahil meron kang gustong mangyari, nagkakaroon ka ng burning desire na mangyari yun. Nagkakaroon ka ng pagnanais na ma-achieve yun. And dahil doon, nabubuo yung commitment, nabubuo yung devotion na whatever it takes, gagawin ko to. Harangin man ako ng sibat. Nagkakaroon ka ng devotion, nagkakaroon ka ng passion, nagkakaroon ka ng gigil, enthusiasm, energy. Name it. Nagkakaroon ka ng gigil na ma-achieve yun. Why? Because it creates energy, yung mental image na yun. It creates passion. It also gives you resilience pag may devotion ka. Pag hindi ka nagpapadala o pag pinagtatawanan ka ng mga tao, ano ba yan? Ano ba yan ginagawa mo? Kami ang saya-saya namin dito. Ikaw, ano yung ginagawa mo? Kasi hindi naman nila naiintindihan. Why? They don't see the mental image na meron ka. Kaya nga sa leadership, mahalaga yung mental image na nakikita mo, yung vision mo, na communicate mo sa mga tao mo so that they can have direction, right decision, and devotion. Okay? So, kung ganyan pala ka-powerful ang vision, ano nang gagawin mo ngayon? Start having a vision. Ask yourself, who do you want to be? What do you would like to do? And what would you like to have in the future? Lagi kong natatandaan yung isang quotation, you need to do something today that you will thank yourself tomorrow. Gawa ka ng something ngayon na mapapasalamatan mo yung sarili mo in the future. And who knows, baka yung pagkakaroon ng vision, isa yun. So that you can have direction, you can make the right decision, and ma-fuel yung devotion mo. Okay? So, sana nakakatulong yung mga videos natin. Hope you're learning a lot. Hope you are getting some takeaways and insights at ma-apply natin to sa ating life. work, and business. This has been your Achievement Mindset Coach, Jeb, always praying and wishing you to unleash your achievement mentality so that you can have a joyful life, excellent work, and fruitful business. And would like to see you in our next videos. If you need coaching, if you need corporate training, if you need consultations, just message us and we can help you sa iyong life, work, and business. See you on our next video. God bless you all and God bless you more.